G'day guys, how are we? So in this video, we're going to be working on my beautiful BMW E46. If you guys didn't know, a few weeks ago we actually went and swapped the motor in it. We didn't put anything crazy in it, we just put another 4-cylinder in it, but she runs perfectly now, which is what we wanted because it didn't run very well before that. So we thought it was a good time to put a new motor in it. Now that the motor's in, it's time to modify it. Which means, in this video, we're going to be swapping some panels over and making this thing look wicked. If you guys have been following along, you would know I have a donor car, which is this silver E46 right here. It's actually cleaner than this one, the one that I'm trying to do up. Like this one here is just not it. It really isn't. It's got... Let's just not get into it, to be honest. That one is not clean at all. This one is actually really clean. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking quite a lot of the body paddles off this one and putting it on the green one. You're probably wondering why the hell I want to do that. Seems, you know, this one's cleaner. Well, the reason why I'm doing that is because it's more content for you guys and it's kind of fun because you get to see a car transform like so much. So I'm pretty excited for this. You guys might be just wondering why the hell aren't you just using the other car? Look, probably a fair point, but we're not gonna. Let's get started by pulling off all the panels we're going to replace on this car and pulling it off that car, and I guess then we're switching it over. Pretty simple, really. So let's get straight into it by moving this BMW out and getting it in a place where we can work on it. Alright, so as you guys can see, the fender is already off. It seems I sold that not long ago. But we still have to take off the side skirt. So let's go ahead and take off the side skirt on this side and also the fender and the side skirt on the other side. So let's go. Alright, so now that we have gone and taken all the panels we want to off this beautiful beast, we're moving on to the actual good looking car, which is the donor car. Now, the panels we're going to be taking off of it are the front fenders, which I'm not really sure if they're M fenders. I've been told they are, but I've also been told they probably aren't. They actually measure to be wider, so I don't know if that makes any difference. They're about 10 mil wider than those other ones. So let me know in the comments if you guys know anything about that. But those fenders there, either side, are going on that BMW down there, and then we have the hood, which is also going on that BMW down there, and then we also have the M3 bumper that we installed quite a while back now that's also going back on. So let's go and take the fenders and also the side skirts off this car. The only reason why I took the side skirts off the other car was because someone bought them off Marketplace and I thought I'd make some money on it because I already have another set that's exactly the same. So let's go ahead and take off the side skirts and the fenders on this car and swap it over to that one.
It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you. Misunderstood, get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes.
Alright, so I have gone and taken off all the fenders and the side skirts and also the hood. Now we're going to go and put it on the beautiful green car. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm pretty excited for this. Should look pretty good.
It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part, wake up and I do my job, just how I should. I feel it all, I'm feeling numb, I lost my soul. It's on the run. I need a spark. I need some fun. I'm in the dark. Like what's to come? It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. That's understood. It was always me me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. Understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It's me versus me.
Alright, so we have gone and put the fenders and the hood and everything back on, so everything is ready to go. Now, all we have to do is put that front bumper back on, and we should be good to go. I've got good old Zach here helping me. Thank you, Zach.
You're welcome.
And his clap box, as he calls it. Nah, the thing's stupidly low. It's pretty cool, actually. We'll have to do a video on this one day, you reckon?
Yeah,
when it's
definitely.
wrapped.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and put this front bumper on, and then we're complete, so sweet.
Hot like 100. Hello, 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 hello.
Loading, loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling, bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling, rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden, golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning, zoning.
So that is the BMW. It is beautiful in its final glory. Not really at all. We've still got a long way to go, but it's getting there. It's definitely getting a lot closer, which is awesome. We've got a lot to do though, so that's definitely something that we're going to be doing within the next few weeks, fingers crossed. I actually have a few issues going on with it at the moment that is going into a mechanic to go see. I think it's something to do with the immobilizer. That's the only thing we can think of. But we've also just created ourselves another issue. What do we do?
Close the bonnet.
We close the
Cable
bonnet
don't work.
and the cable doesn't work.
Cut a hole in the bonnet.
So that sucks. So that's a mechanic issue, I guess. That's not a me problem, hopefully. So the car's going in to see the mechanic soon, so fingers crossed we're gonna be able to fix that issue as well, because that sucks. We must have done something wrong there. Definitely our fault, but oh well, you learn. The thing is slowly getting together. Fingers crossed it's gonna look nice when it's done. It should. I'm pretty excited for it. But getting all the panels crossed over and everything is definitely getting there. The only issue is a lot of the panel fitment and everything on it is kind of off. Like even this here, that is very off here. But that's all stuff we can fix, and I'm pretty confident we can easily fix it. It's definitely a step closer to where we want to be, so it's gonna be awesome. I'm pretty excited. You excited to see this thing on its guts?
Fucking oath.
And this thing to be clean?
One day.
But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more content of his car, can we get more content?
I don't even want to see more content of my car. What do you mean?
But yeah, so if you guys want to see anything, let me know in the comments, and I shall see you guys next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.
That's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good.